Paki-translate.
5 days not change. I thought the hair fall down there. Eko.
No, you finish. Very well.
Yes. Number 3.
Number 2 pare.
Oh.
Number 2, supervisor still need to become straight.
Oh, yeah. Number 3.
What? Number 3, the cleaning is very good.
Number 4.
Number 4, sometimes the supervisor coconut, calvo, and terminano.
There.
All is there included pare.
Really, I will look for that one.
Extra.
No decade ba? Only have here one.
Habon.
Yes. Asking friendly attitude, right? This is yung cabin steward.
Okay.
Supervisor walk in the alleyway. The hair always fall one by one. That's why even in the night time, it's still very bright in the alleyway because of the moon.